Welcome back, Newman Knights. Today is day 7 of our first 20 days. We should be watching this on Thursday, August 14th. Today we're going to talk about our behavior expectation during assemblies, especially Friday flag salutes. As always, let's remind ourselves of our 3 B's. Ready? B, B, and B. Thank you. Being respectful during Friday flag salute means that we're being respectful to all speakers by listening quietly. A lot of times it will be Mr. Lee standing in front of everyone, but sometimes we might have other speakers. We make sure that we listen closely and carefully. Clap when appropriate. Take up hoods, caps, and hats when inside and during flag salute. During Pledge of Allegiance, when we have our hand over our chest to show our respect for our country and for the flag, we also need to make sure that we don't have anything over our head. And similarly, to show respect, if you arrive late and you realize, oh, everyone's got their hand on their chest and they're looking at the flag, make sure you stop where you are and then you also do the same to show respect to the flag. And please do not walk in front of the speaker. Make sure to walk around, walk behind, and find your class quietly and respectfully. In case you don't know what our flag looks like, here it is. Let's be responsible during our Friday flag salute as well. Follow all instructions from the adults. Whether it's your teacher or other teachers telling you where you need to be or how you're supposed to behave, let's listen right away. Track the speaker. Use slant. And stay in your assigned area. We shouldn't be wandering around during Friday flag salute or any other assembly. Being safe also means that you stay in your designated area. If your class is to stay in one spot, you need to stay with your class. In case something happens, we need to know where you're supposed to be. And if you're away from your assigned spot, it will be very hard for us to find you. Keep your hands, feet, and objects to yourself, always. You're going to hear that over and over again. There's no reason for us to put our hands, feet, or objects on anyone else at school. And participate when asked and have fun. Lastly, at the end of Friday flag salute, similarly to all the other assemblies, look to your teacher. Your teacher will tell you which way to go. They will either tell you to stand up, form a line, or follow the line. But don't assume. Just look to your teacher and he or she will tell you what you need to do. And as you exit, make sure you exit in a straight line, facing forward in a respectful and safe manner. Alright, thank you so much for your time and your attention. Let's remind ourselves our 3 B's one more time. Ready? B, B, and B. Awesome job, and thank you so much for your time once again. Newman Knights, I will see you out there.